Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit the products page in Prestashop in 2024. So today we're diving into the essential tasks of editing products pages in Prestashop, which is a crucial aspect of managing your online store effectively. Whether you're adding some new products, updating existing ones, or even optimizing for better sales, conversions, and mastering products page editing in Prestashop is the key. So let's explore the steps of how to do it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and access your Prestashop admin panel or the back office. So to do so, for me, I'll just open a browser here and in the browser, I'll open that demo. Of course, for you, if it's your first time, basically, you just open a new tab, go to Prestashop. For me, I'll just open even how to install it on your local host, of course, if you want to. So first of all, you'll find yourself here. Click on Get Started to download. This is an example, free download. But even if you download here for free, with the Prestashop, you'll need the hosting provider, which you will have to go and pay for a plan, or you can simply choose the plan from the beginning with them. If you didn't want to, if you don't want to pay anything, you can simply install it locally on your computer. Just go to a new tab, type install Prestashop on localhost. Click on this first link, which is an article. Make sure it's not like sponsored. It might take you to another website. If it's sponsored, make sure it's this website, which is Prestashop Help Center, as you can see. And here, this article, as you can see, will show you the exact steps. So here, the steps outlined. If you want to do it alone, you'll be able to. If you don't know nothing about this, you can simply here find a details steps, the detail steps, like every details about it. So everything from the beginning until the end. Once you finish those steps, you'll have access to your front and back office without any problems, as you can see here. So for me, I'll just go and access on this demo on the back office and I'll try to log in into it without any problems. And yeah. So normally to edit the products page, you'll basically have just to access the office, the back office, go to the products page or catalog, then go to the products and you can start editing the products however you want. It's actually easy. So here I'll just click on login and try to log in into the back or the back office. So yeah, and meanwhile, as you can see, here, as you can see, so make sure to follow the steps. Of course, the server, which is this map, is totally free. You can install it for free. You don't have to worry about anything or something like that. And yeah, so let me just go and check this. Okay, it's not working yet, so I'll just refresh. It's a demo, so always happens to be slow, of course. Or a demo or local host, if your PC is slow, it will be slow a little bit, so you don't have to mind it. You'll have to bear with it until it works. So, of course, as we said, here, once you have to go and access your admin panel and go to the catalog where you can manage, of course, all the products and familiarize yourself, as example, with the layout and options available for editing product details. And once on the catalog section, you can locate the products that you wish to edit, and you can search like the products by name or browse through categories to find it. And you can click, of course, on whatever products you want to edit it. You can open the details page, details editing page. On the products editing page, you'll find like fields to modify various aspects of the product, update the product name, description, and features to accurately reflect its attributes. Pay attention also to SEO elements such as the meta titles, description, and keywords. So yeah, I'm logged in now. It's good. So as we said, we can go to this list panel. Here, we can simply go to catalog, go to product, and as you can see here, you'll have a lot of access to all the products that you have. For me, I'll just go, first of all, click on View Store or View My Store to show you how it's going to look like. So as an example, you have here the quick view of your products as an example. And of course, as you can see, all the products in here. So this is going to be basically it. Of course, if you want to edit this products page, if you want to change products, example, remove them, change whatever you want on it, as we said, go to catalog products. And here you'll have all the products that you have. Of course, if you want to import some products, you can simply click in here, click on import, and you'll be able to import all the products that you have. Maybe, I don't know, you have them on Amazon, you have them somewhere else. So categories, example, choose products, choose the file that you want to import from. And this example, available fields, as you can see, all those fields in here. So fill up any other information like language in the file, fill the separator, which will separate like one products from another. and even multiply value separator. As example, delete all products before imports. Example, if you want to use products reference as keys, skip thumbnails, force ID numbers, whatever you want, send the notification email. Then click on next steps to import whatever you want. That's if you want to import, of course. For me on the demo, I'll not be able to even export. You can even export if you want to. As example, this you can just export to the SQL manager. You'll not be able to export to another option. So as we said, to edit the products page as example, so this is going to be my products page. Let me just go and try to delete this one as example, this blue shirt. So let me just go and find this in the products here. So yeah, this one, I'll just go and click on it and click on delete. So it deleted. I'll just go back here, refresh the page. And as you can see, it's deleted. So that's how you edit the products page. Of course, as example, I'll just choose now this black one. Scroll down to it. This time, I'm not going to delete it. I'm going to click on it and edit something on it. So, as example, here I have two like variations. Of course, you can add multiple variations. So, if we go here as example, and I'll click on the details. What can I change about? So, about pricing, yeah. Instead of this price, as example, I don't know what price is that. I'll change the price into 25.9000. And yeah, so for the text, you can add this, of course. And the cost price here, it's going to be the cost price and a lot of other information that you can edit. So once you change everything, just make sure to click on save and publish. Then go back here, refresh, and you should find this like change it. For me on the demo, as you can see, so the functionality has been disabled. So I'll not be able to change the price and etc. of something that I want. As I said, because I am on the free plan, so I'll not be able to change specifically what I want as I want. So you'll have to keep that in mind. So yeah, if you change anything, as an example on this products page, it will be changed in here. If you refresh, you'll be able to see the changes, and that's going to be it for me today. And for you, of course, you can make all the changes that you want, from attributes to variants to pricing, inventory details, all the things that you want. So familiarize yourself with it, change whatever you want, and you should be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.